Hey friends, it's ice cold, frozen London here. As you can see on the cars with snow, it's 17 degrees right now in New York City. There's ice all over the walkway, so I'm trying my best to not slip and fall and die. I'm on my way to Brooklyn to see my friend Phil. He's a photographer and he took all of my photos in the beginning. And look how pretty the view is. It's really sunny, but don't be fooled, it's cold as fuck. I'm gonna be hand delivering his little letter just because I haven't seen him in a while and I want to catch up and see what he's up to. So that is a plan, but oh my god, it's so slippery, Jesus. This is basically ice skating right now at this point. How difficult it is to get from Queens to Brooklyn. Fit for today, I'm calling it the survival because it's so cold. We're looking cute. Also, I've never been in this part of Brooklyn before. It's really pretty with all the brownstones. This is where we're meeting. Pasta Louise. Hi, my friend should be here already. Neighborhood is so beautiful. Wow. That's real fire. So this is where all the beautiful buildings were hiding in New York City. On the other side, that's where Prospect Park is, at the end of the street right here. So I think I'm just gonna walk through it a little bit. It's way too cold to go through the whole thing. Just do it like a 30-minute walk through and then, or maybe a run through because it's so cold. And then I'll just go home. Also, my phone's about to die and I don't wanna be MIA in the middle of New York City. Damn, I wish I could live here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. My phone's at like 5%, so I need to get home. You birds, you're not cold?
You doing a mechanical issue? We're almost finished. We're halfway through. We thank you. Starting from the back.
Ahora está parado, pues no avanza nada.
What? Yeah, that's definitely...
I told you, I knew it. I knew it. They're gonna open that door.
Yeah, they gotta let us out.
They run it. As soon as they catch whoever they get, that's what they looking for. Somebody. Oh, people getting out. I think.
Oh. Yeah, you're right.